Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find the glizzy filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Okay, so this is the filter. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, to get this effect you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and you will see this pop up and tap on unlock for 48 hours. And that's it, you got the filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.